Hi, what is your name?
My name is Alex. And you?
I am Neely.
Where do you live?
I live in Canada.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy traveling to new places.
What are some places you love traveling to?
I love to visit places with natural beauty and historical interest. I also prefer traveling to places with unique features, which could be natural, geographical, historical, or cultural.
Do you enjoy visiting places more with your friends or with your family?
I guess I enjoy it more with my friends. Some of my friends alike I enjoy traveling very much. We get on pretty well and enjoy exploring new places and meeting new people. We like to know how people live their lives in different places.
What are some things you never forget to take with you when you're traveling?
Well, I never forget to bring my camera. I also don't forget to take my phone and the accessories with me when I'm traveling. I also make sure I take enough clothes with me and, of course, my towel and toothbrush, and, most importantly, my purse.
Do you like to travel by car?
Yes, I like to travel by car. I find it very convenient and time-saving compared to taking the bus.
When do you travel by car?
I like to travel by car when I am going to places in my town or nearby cities.
Do you prefer taking long road trips by car?
For long journeys, I prefer the train to the car. The roads in many parts of my country are not in good condition, so car trip for long journey is not safe and uncomfortable.
Where is the farthest place you have traveled by car?
The farthest place I have been to by car is Toronto. It was a very last-minute trip as my grandmother got very sick, and we couldn't find any train tickets. My father and I took turns driving the car and reached there in about 12 hours.
Do you like to sit in the back or front when traveling by car?
I like to sit in the front row either driving the car or in the passenger seat. The front seat has a better view and I like to keep a watch on traffic even when I'm not driving. I feel in control when I am in the front.
Do you want to travel in outer space?
Yes, I would love to travel to Moon or any other planet like Mars. I want to see how our planet, Earth, looks from space.
What would you do if you had the opportunity?
First of all, I will be really excited and inform all my friends and family. I will do a lot of planning for this trip, so that I cherish it for a lifetime.
Do you think it's necessary to see other planets?
Yes, we can gain a lot of information from other planets. Some of this information might be helpful in solving existing challenges on Earth or discovering how life started.
Do you like to travel by air?
Yes, I would like to travel by air. But unfortunately, I have not got the opportunity to travel by air yet.
It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Same to you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.